Yo guys, what's up? It's your boy Dark Renegade 14 here, baby, with another unboxing video. I was gonna say reaction video, but I don't think it's unboxing video, whatever you wanna call it. I already know. Got some new shoes, cause that's about the only thing I ever fucking unbox on here is shoes. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh, I don't need y'all to see that. Yeah, I don't need y'all to see that. Yeah. But anyway, yeah. Okay. Alright. Damn, but this super dude box. Let's go. Boom. There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not from here. Mellows. Woo! Bruh, first off, bro, you need to be snapping on these boxes, bro. Like, this shit is Rick and Morty. Yeah. Yeah, the new Rick and Morty's, baby. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie, that whole kind of sexy. Damn. Nah. I like that. I like this. Ooh, I like the way this. Damn, I like the way this feel. It's like a fucking. What's this type of material? Oh, bro, it got to work. These straps? Damn. These motherfucking straps. Oh, man. No, bro, Mello went crazy on these. The Mortys. Got Morty right there. That boy snap. One. Ew, clean. I can't even count. Damn. These shoes though. Whew. Paper stink, but damn. Okay. The soles, just regular soles. Ain't nothing fancy on them. Oh, here go the other one. Ooh. This whole look Arctic. It's like an Arctic blue, purple, funky looking thing. Boy, oh, I like this color. This is hard. Oh, these are hard. Can't even count. I'm loving this. This is amazing. This was a well thought out. This right here just feels premium to me. That's my opinion though. Oh yeah, I like this shoe, bro. Here go Rick. Yeah. Oh, kind of hard, bro. I ain't gonna care. They got a lot going on, but they hard though. That's a hard shoe. This is hard, bro. Yeah. And there you guys have it. It's Mellows, Rick and Morty's, MB.05s. Yeah, Mellow Snap, can't even cap. Good looking shoe. Good looking shoe. Man. Well, that's all I got for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.